Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this really short video, I'm going to tell you and show you on my documentation portal how you can reset your WordPress admin password and how you can create new admin user via phpMyAdmin. This is really useful in cases where you don't have your SMTP server, so you cannot reset the password via email. Or in some cases that happened to me, the customer website have been hacked and everything have been modified, so I could add the new administrator and clean it up via this way. I think that every hosting panel should have the phpMyAdmin, and if you are on Run Cloud, you can create your phpMyAdmin instance. It's really easy. So how you can do it, you can check the link for the documentation, and as you can see, I create step-by-step tutorial with also GIFs, so you can easily replicate everything and get back access to your WordPress. So I hope you like it. If you have any issues, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer. Stay awesome and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.